Did you know you can learn almost anything to a proficient level in just 20 hours? That's right, 20 hours. Imagine being able to pick up a new language, master a musical instrument, or even learn a complex skill like coding in such a short amount of time. It might sound too good to be true, but it's entirely possible. It sounds impossible, doesn't it? Most of us have been led to believe that achieving proficiency in any field requires years of hard work and dedication. We think of experts as people who have spent countless hours honing their craft, often sacrificing other aspects of their lives to reach the pinnacle of their abilities. We've been conditioned to believe that mastery requires years, even decades, of dedicated practice. This belief is so ingrained in our culture that we rarely question it. But what if there was a way to bypass the traditional path to mastery? What if you could achieve a high level of skill in a fraction of the time? What if I told you there's a faster way, a shortcut that unlocks rapid skill acquisition? This method isn't about cutting corners or finding an easy way out. It's about working smarter, not harder. By focusing on the most important aspects of a skill and practicing them intensively, you can make significant progress in a very short period. This isn't about magic or learning while you sleep. It's about being strategic with your time and effort. By understanding how the brain works and what it needs to learn effectively, you can optimize your practice sessions and achieve results that seem almost magical. It's about understanding the science of learning and leveraging powerful psychological principles to accelerate the process. Techniques like spaced repetition, deliberate practice, and focused attention can dramatically improve your ability to learn new skills quickly and efficiently. It's about hacking the human mind, tapping into its hidden potential and bending reality to achieve extraordinary results. By breaking down complex skills into manageable chunks and practicing them in a structured way, you can make rapid progress and achieve a level of proficiency that would normally take years. It's about using the power of dark psychology to become a master of your craft. By understanding the psychological triggers that drive human behavior, you can motivate yourself to practice consistently and push through the inevitable challenges that come with learning something new. This approach isn't just about learning faster. It's about transforming yourself into a more capable and confident individual. We've all seen the traditional learning curve. It's a long, arduous climb filled with plateaus and setbacks. Progress is slow, motivation dwindles, and many give up before reaching their full potential. But what if we could reshape that curve, turning a steep incline into a manageable slope? That's the promise of rapid skill acquisition. It's about identifying the most effective learning strategies, eliminating wasted effort, and compressing years of learning into a fraction of the time. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging every psychological advantage to achieve mastery in record time. The idea that it takes 10,000 hours to master anything has been touted as gospel. While practice is undoubtedly crucial, this arbitrary number has created a psychological barrier for many aspiring learners. It breeds fear, procrastination, and a sense of overwhelming pressure. The truth is, mastery isn't about clocking in endless hours. It's about focused, deliberate practice that targets specific skills and leverages the brain's natural learning mechanisms. It's about quality over quantity and understanding the psychological factors that accelerate or hinder progress. This is where dark psychology enters the equation. Now, before you conjure up images of manipulation and mind control, let's be clear. We're talking about harnessing the power of psychology ethically and responsibly. Dark psychology in this context is about understanding the often uncomfortable truths about motivation, focus. It's about tapping into your deepest desires, identifying your why, and using that burning motivation to fuel your learning journey. It's about understanding the power of reward and punishment, and creating systems that incentivize progress and eliminate distractions. One of the biggest obstacles to rapid learning is our own scattered minds. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and stimuli vying for our attention. Whether it's the constant notifications on our smartphones, the endless stream of social media updates, or the demands of work and personal life, our minds are constantly being pulled in multiple directions. We live in a world of constant distraction, our attention pulled in countless directions. This fragmented focus makes it difficult to concentrate on any one task for an extended period, leading to decreased productivity and a sense of mental fatigue. The ability to focus deeply on a single task has become a rare and valuable skill. Dark psychology teaches us how to reclaim our focus, to cultivate an almost laser-like concentration that allows us to absorb information and master skills at an accelerated rate. By understanding the underlying mechanisms of our minds, we can train ourselves to enter a state of deep focus more easily. This involves techniques such as mindfulness meditation and deliberate practice, which help to quiet the mind and enhance our ability to concentrate. This involves understanding the principles of flow state, a state of heightened awareness and effortless concentration where learning happens almost automatically. When we are in flow, we are fully immersed in the task at hand, losing track of time and external distractions. This state is characterized by a sense of ease and enjoyment, making it an ideal condition for learning and creativity. It's about hacking our environment, eliminating distractions, and training our minds to enter this state of peak performance at will. By creating a conducive environment and practicing techniques that promote deep focus, we can enhance our ability to learn and perform at our best. This not only improves our productivity, but also our overall well-being, as we feel more in control of our minds and our lives. Section 6. Rewire your reality belief and self-efficacy. Our beliefs about ourselves, our capabilities, play a crucial role in our learning journey. If we believe we're incapable of mastering a skill, we create a self-fulfilling prophecy. Dark psychology teaches us how to identify and dismantle these limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering ones that fuel our progress. This involves understanding the concept of self-efficacy, our belief in our ability to succeed. It's about setting achievable goals, celebrating small victories, and constantly reinforcing the belief that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. Section 7. Proof in the pudding: rapid skill acquisition in action. The principles of rapid skill acquisition, fueled by dark psychology, have been proven time and again. These principles are not just theoretical. They have practical applications that can be observed in real-world scenarios, whether it's in academic settings, professional environments, or personal development. The impact is undeniable. Take, for example, the case of SuperMemo, a learning software based on the principles of spaced repetition and active recall. This software has revolutionized the way people approach learning, making it more efficient and effective. By breaking down information into manageable chunks and reviewing it at strategically timed intervals, users can retain information much more effectively. Users have reported incredible results, learning new languages at an accelerated pace. Imagine being able to converse fluently in a new language within months, rather than years. This is the power of rapid skill acquisition in action. Memorizing vast amounts of information becomes a breeze with the right techniques. Students preparing for exams, professionals needing to stay updated with industry knowledge, and even hobbyists looking to dive deep into their interests can all benefit. And it's not just about rote memorization. Mastering complex skills, whether it's playing a musical instrument, coding, or any other intricate task, can be achieved in record time. The key lies in understanding how our brains work and leveraging that knowledge to optimize our learning processes. This is just one example of how understanding the science of learning and leveraging psychological principles can lead to extraordinary results. The applications are vast and varied, touching every aspect of our lives, from athletes using visualization techniques to achieve peak performance, to individuals practicing mindfulness and meditation to enhance their mental clarity and focus. The benefits are far-reaching: entrepreneurs leveraging the power of persuasion to build successful businesses, educators transforming their teaching methods to better engage students, and even everyday people looking to improve their personal lives can all harness these principles. The applications are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. Section 8. The 20-hour revolution: your path to mastery. The 20-hour rule isn't about rushing through the learning process. It's about maximizing efficiency and accelerating your journey to mastery. It's about understanding that the impossible is often just a limiting belief, and that with the right mindset and the right tools, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, what will you master in 20 hours? The possibilities are limitless. Section 9. Join the movement, share your story. This is just the beginning of your journey into the world of rapid skill acquisition and the power of dark psychology. I encourage you to delve deeper, explore the resources available, and most importantly, start applying these principles to your own life. Share your experiences, connect with others on this path, and let's revolutionize the way we learn and achieve mastery together. The future of learning is here, and it's waiting for you to seize it.